Hi math friends! I wanted to make this video for you so that you knew what to work on today, Wednesday, October 21st. So first, we always like to start our math class with a fun math riddle. Today's riddle is, what are 10 things you can always count on? That's right, your fingers, because we have 10 fingers. Okay, I wanted to make sure that you knew you can pause this video at any time. I'm going to explain each assignment to you, so at any time, if you would like to slow down and stop the video so that you can write notes down, that is okay. This week, we are finishing up our first chapter in math, Chapter 1, Whole Numbers and the Four Operations. So your tasks today are going to review everything we've learned from our first chapter. Here's where you can go to get to your assignments. You can click on the small group math assignment folder inside Schoology. Then you will click on a folder that's called Wednesday, October 21st. Inside, there are 3 tasks. Please complete all of the tasks in the folder today. Your first task is a math chat discussion question. The discussion question will ask you to tell me the steps for a long division problem. Think carefully about what we would do to solve a long division problem and record your answer as a discussion post. Task number 2 is a Nearpod assignment that's located inside that folder. It's called Place Value up to 7 digits. There are 2 games to play, a matching card game and a time to climb game where you answer questions and you climb up a little mountain. The last task inside the folder today is another Nearpod called Order of Operations. For this assignment, you will be doing a virtual reality into 2 different stores. You will be selecting items in the store that you like and writing a word problem for me using Order of Operations to find the total cost. You can make up the cost of the items. You can't see them in the store. So you can have fun. This is McChesky. When I finish all my tasks, what should I work on this afternoon at home? That's a great question. Anything missing? Wait, what's missing? My shoe? My backpack? No, assignments for math. Hopefully none of them. But if you're missing some assignments, you should work on them this afternoon. You'll know if something is missing because you can look in your math grades and look for the little missing icon. Since we are finishing our first chapter this week, I will be awarding student badges at the end of this week. You'll see them appear in your Schoology course in your Badges tab. You could earn a Star Performer badge if I have felt that you've been a strong participant in class and you have been working extra hard. You can also earn a homework badge if you have turned in all of your Chapter 1 assignments. Here's another reminder. Have you played Prodigy yet? Prodigy is a really fun math game that I have set you up with an account for. The account information is in the small group math folder. You can play with classmates. You can design your own avatar and travel around the world solving math problems. That's everything I want you to work on today. Thank you for working extra hard in math. And remember to be sure to complete all of your math tasks today so that you can earn those badges. If you have any questions, send me a message on Schoology. Bye, friends.